Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good and welcome to a vlog. This hopefully is going to be my birthday vlog, and I was not initially planning on making a birthday vlog, but then I was like थोड़ा कर लेती हूँ because you guys love watching my vlogs. The reason that I don't vlog is मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं कुछ ऐसा कर नहीं रही हूँ जैसे मैं vlog कर पाऊँ. मतलब it's not that entertaining though whatever I'm doing, but then when I see other people's vlog, even if they're not doing a lot, it's entertaining. So I thought I'd vlog, and today is, it's actually too soon for my birthday, but it's almost very odd to vlog at this hour. अभी रात का 11:45 हो रहा है and it's 2nd of July, मतलब 3 जुलाई हो जाएगा अभी 15 मिनट में. And the reason that I started vlogging right now is because I am going on my birthday trip. Like जब से मैं घर से बाहर आई हूँ ना, for 22 years I have celebrated birthday मेरे घर पे, but when I came out I have not celebrated birthday where I was living permanently. जैसे मैं 2 साल अहमदाबाद में थी, मैंने दोनों में से एक भी साल अहमदाबाद में बर्थडे नहीं मनाया. I used to come to Pune to celebrate my birthday with my friends because all of my friends used to live here. But now this year everybody has like either switched their jobs or whatever. For some reason they're not in Pune. बहुत ज़्यादा लोग नहीं हैं इधर. So this time when I'm in Pune, how can I celebrate my birthday in Pune? So I am going on a trip and I have already done my tickets. So I am going to Chandigarh, and why Chandigarh specifically is because my best friend lives there. And not Chandigarh, हमारा main है कि हम जाएंगे धर्मशाला, हिमाचल प्रदेश. The last time I went to Himachal Pradesh was in 2017 something. We have decided that we'll go to Dharamshala because that is इतना दूर नहीं है वो चंडीगढ़ से. It's 4-5 hours kind of a journey. I have already done my flight from here to Chandigarh. The लौटते का भी मैंने नहीं किया है. Every booking is left, like we have not done the hotels वगैरह. So it's just me and my best friend Divya. We both are going, and one of our friend might join. So it's gonna be 2-3 of us only. This is my 25th birthday, and when I say it, it's like हो 25 साल. It's kind of a milestone, right? But I don't have like so many plans, या मेरे ऐसी कोई बहुत list नहीं है कि भाई मुझे ये चाहिए वो चाहिए. I just want my birthday to be very chill, and that's why I'm going to the mountains. It's kind of like on and off. लोग बोल रहे हैं जाओ नहीं जाओ types, but अभी हमने कर लिया है book वगैरह, so I have to eventually go. And me and my friend Divya, we are very chill kind of people. Like I am not into यहाँ चले वहाँ चले and एकदम से बहुत ज़्यादा itinerary proper follow करें, ऐसा मेरा कुछ नहीं है. I am a very chill kind of a traveler. I will go with the flow. That kind of traveler I am. हम लोग वैसे भी कुछ रिस्की जगह जाना अवॉइड ही करेंगे. That's why I wanted to book like a nice stay, that अगर हम प्रॉपर्टी में ही रह रहे हैं तो at least the property should be nice and it should have like views वगैरह. Okay, so अभी मैं थोड़ा बुक करने वाली थी तो मैंने सोचा व्लॉग शुरू कर देती हूँ and I'll give you guys some context. वैसे तो दिव्या ने मेरे को फ्री हैंड दे दिया है कि whatever hotel I like I can book, but I need to show her. उसने मेरे को बोला कि तू 4 होटल मेरे को भेज दे शॉर्टलिस्ट करके जो तेरे को अच्छे लग रहे हैं, and then we'll book select among those. So that's my job for today. I am not sure that I'm gonna book today, but at least I'll sort out some. I think I've spoken a lot, but yeah. और होशियारी इतनी है दिमाग में कि मैं बताना भूल गई. My birthday is on 16th of July, so 13th को I'll go, and probably I'm planning to be back by 19th. So it's gonna be like a 7-day trip, nice trip. Okay. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day, and the reason that I'm ready is I was shooting. मेरे को एक वीडियो शूट करना था, and it's not next morning. Let me tell you, it's 3 p.m. and I have not had my lunch, and my brother is waiting for me to have lunch with him. So I will go. But today, what happened? I woke up and I was just having my normal day, and then this parcel came, and I am used to getting parcels, okay? So I was not expecting anything, but there was this Nykaa fashion ka packet, and I ordered something yesterday from Nykaa, not Nykaa fashion. So I was like, maybe fashion wala tape laga diya or something. I like ignored it. So I thought मेरे भाई ने कुछ मंगाया होगा आप खुद के लिए, I don't know. So I asked him, I'm like, open it, and he was like, no, you open it, and I was like, ठीक है चलो. I opened it, and there was this purse. So I thought that my bhabhi has ordered for her at our place, and then my brother said that this is for you from her, and I was like, I got so shy. एक सेकंड को तो मैं एकदम सोच में पड़ गई कि अरे, फिर मुझे शर्म भी आई. बट आई विल शो यू द बैग. इट्स वेरी नाइस. एंड फन फैक्ट इज आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर बैग्स येस्टरडे बिकॉज आई टोल्ड यू दैट आई एम गोइंग राइट. तो मैंने एक अपने लिए नया ट्रॉली बैग मंगाया पिंक कलर का. सो आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि मैं एक नया टोट भी ले लेती हूँ बिकॉज मेरे जो ऑफिस वाला टोट था वो अब उतना अच्छा नहीं लगता. बट देन शी सेंट मी अ बैग एंड आई एम गोना कैरी दैट ओनली. आई शो यू. ओके, वेट. आई लव दिस एंड मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ था भी नहीं लाइक ब्लैक एंड वाइट चेकर्ड पैटर्न में. आई एम गोना कैरी दिस एंड इट्स बिग इनफ टू कैरी स्टफ. आई एनीवेज लव मेराजियो बैग्स एंड ये जो डिटेल है ना ये मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ज़ोरदार लगा. अभी मैं इसको प्रॉपर्ली खोलूँगी टाइम लेके. अभी मैं खाना खाने जाती हूँ. Hi guys, checking in after a lot of time. It's 7 p.m. right now and I did all of my work and now I have to go take a shower now and I have to also wash my hair and उसके बाद मैं और दादा मतलब every time I say दादा it's my big brother. So मैं और दादा हम लोग जाने वाले हैं बाहर and I got a new t-shirt as well from Amazon. I ordered a nice t-shirt. Okay, वो मैं पहनने का सोच रही हूँ. Just आई है तो so I'll quickly go. इतना सारा टाइम मुझे इसलिए लग गया because 3-4 बजे तक तो मैंने शूट खत्म करके खाना वाना खाया है. उसके बाद I edited the video that I shot so I sent it to the brand and उसके बाद फिर अभी मैं just चाय पी के आई बाहर से because दूध खत्म हो गया था and I was too lazy to go buy the दूध and चाय बनाओ. मेरी एक आदत है कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बाहर नहीं निकलती. मतलब rarely I go out like even in my society. So today I was like चलो थोड़ा हवा लेके आते हैं. I will see you once I am back. Hello. So this was a Saturday morning and my friend came over to my place so I just went downstairs to pick her up and then we also had chai. One thing that I love about Pune is its weather. I mean look at it. And then I came home, she convinced me to watch The Traitors. Guys, hello. Yesterday my friend came over to my place and then पूरा दिन हमने सिर्फ सोया है और I watched The Traitors as well. To be honest मुझे उतना So I'm still on episode 4 and मुझे उतना मज़ा नहीं आया but my friend said that के बाद के episodes में और मज़ा आएगा. So I'm doing that and उसके अलावा we just chilled like proper chill किया हमने. Also I was down yesterday so it was like a break for me but today I woke up and I was like कि हाँ आज तो मेरे plans हैं ये वो and then there was this brand जिसका deadline था आज and I didn't even shoot the video and अभी फिर मैं सुबह से मैंने shoot किया उसको ख़त्म किया and I was not feeling it मेरे को back ache भी हो रहा था so I quickly took a shower, change my sheets वगैरह. Today's plan is थोड़ा सा crazy. I have to go to my friend's place which is on the opposite side of the city and तो मेरे काफ़ी सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं. हम आज मिलने वाले हैं रात में एज एन अभी जाऊंगी मैं. मुझे 1-1.5 घंटा लगेगा जाने में उधर एंड देन शाम को वील गो आउट समवेयर बेसिकली हैव फन बिकॉज हमने बहुत टाइम से नहीं किया है. मैंने ऐसे प्रॉपर्ली गर्ल्स नाइट नहीं करी है लाइक ग्रुप में सो आई एम एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट. तो अभी मैंने सारा काम अपना निपटा लिया है. आई एम गोइंग टू श्रुति's प्लेस एंड मैं उसके घर जाऊंगी बट मैं आज वापस नहीं आऊंगी. आई विल कम बैक टुमारो बिकॉज इट ओनली मेक सेंस. सो आई एम कैरिंग माई माइक वगैरह जस्ट इन केस कोई ब्रांड मुझे चेंज वेंज देता है तो आई विल क्विकली डू इट. एंड थोड़ा सा मुझे बैक पैक करना है. मैंने एक एवोकाडो मंगाया था 12 दिन पहले कि मैं एवोकाडो टोस्ट बनाऊंगी लाइफ में पहली बार खुद से और वो एवोकाडो रखा हुआ है. सो अभी मैंने लंच भी नहीं किया है. आई विल हैव दैट एवोकाडो टोस्ट. लेट्स मेक समथिंग. ओके Ready. I love this. मैं इसे नाटक करने के लिए नहीं बोल रही, but this is the first time that I've made these, and मैंने कैफे वगैरह में खाए हैं, but this is just amazing. If you are like me who has never tried avocado, try this recipe and you're gonna love it. I'm gonna finish this. उस avocado से 3 टोस्ट बने हैं, मैंने भर भर के फिलिंग लगाई है बिकॉज एज आई सेड कि मुझे जाना है एंड मैं कल आऊँगी, तो आई डोंट वांट द मिक्सचर टू वेट इन द फ्रिज या फिर वो कल खराब हो जाए. वैसे तो मेरी बहुत इच्छा थी कि मैं मेरे भाई को भी बना के खिलाऊं, बट ही इज आउट एंड ही कम लेट नाइट, तो मैंने वो बेवकूफ़ी नहीं की फ्रिज में रखने वाली. तीनों बन चुके हैं, बस आई विल जस्ट क्विकली ईट एंड पैक माई बैग फॉर अ डे and then I'll leave. Done with my lunch, late lunch to be honest, and abhi 5:15 something ho raha hai. I have taken out my outfit. I'm gonna wear that. I am ready, guys. This is what I'm wearing. This is a new t-shirt, sorry, and these comfy shorts. Watch वगैरह पहन के जा रही हूँ मैं because कौन carry करे. And then I have this bag also. The more I grow up, I realize that these laptop bags carry so much that our tote bags cannot. सो मैं थोड़ा फैशन को असाइड रखकर अब ये कैरी करने लगी हूँ बिकॉज इसमें लिटरली बहुत सारा सामान आ जाता है मेरा. एंड आई एम गोना से बाय बाय टू माई रूम फॉर अ डे, नॉट इवन फॉर अ डे एक्चुअली. कल इस टाइम तक मैं वापस भी आ जाऊँगी. इट्स जस्ट दैट इट्स टू फार, इट डजंट मेक एनी सेंस टू कम बैक एट नाइट. मेरे साथ मेरी एक और दोस्त जा रही है, तो हम लोग एक ड्रॉप पॉइंट पे मिल रहे हैं, पिकअप पॉइंट पे मिल रहे हैं. आई हैव टू गो टिल द पिकअप पॉइंट एंड देन शी विल कम देयर. सो अभी मैं अपना कर रही हूँ बुक राइड. Guys, I came home and it's been some time since I came home. I unpacked my bag and I took a shower and I felt so good. I am sitting in my comfy clothes and I was so hungry. Currently it's 6 p.m. and मैं ऐसे 5 बजे जैसा आ गई थी घर पे. And I have ordered because I was not in the mood to cook, and today is Sunday, so cook doesn't come on Sunday. So I will eat. मैंने मंगाया है chili cheese Manchurian roll and peri peri fries. And I'm so hungry and I love this place. It's Rolls Mania. एक तो हम लोग लेट उठे थे सुबह 11 बजे करीब, and then around 12:30 we had Maggie and coffee and that's it. So I'm so hungry right now. I need to have. This is what the roll looks like, and मैं generally आटे वाले बेस के लिए जाती हूँ, not the मैदा one. I have literally stopped ordering fries from McDonald's because यहाँ पे घर आते आते उसको 50 मिनट्स लग जाते हैं and वो इतने गंदे वाले सॉगी हो जाते हैं. But these peri peri fries still crunchy and just so good. इसका मसाला थोड़ा obviously different है from the McDonald's one, but it's really really good. Cut to the next day where me and my brother were packing orders for my thrift store. So I have a thrift store named Preloved by Rashi. You can follow me on Instagram for more frequent updates, but on that thrift store I basically sell out my new clothes or the clothes which are worn once or twice by me at affordable prices. And here I'm showing you how we pack our orders, or basically how our orders reach at your place, and my brother packs it so neatly. Post that I needed to get few things done, so I went to Decathlon because I wanted like a raincoat. I didn't have a raincoat and it rains like anywhere and anytime in Pune. Now Decathlon is one of those stores in which you can easily get distracted by a lot of things because you get everything, almost everything here. I also saw few things which I didn't want, but then finally I decided to get this raincoat. It's in simple color and they didn't have a lot of options, so I went with this one. I actually don't care, it should just protect me. Once that was done, I went to this printing shop because I wanted to get my stickers printed. So I just WhatsApped them my logo, and then he was doing a few changes because I wanted circular stickers, and I wanted this because I wanted to paste these stickers on the package that I was sending over so that people should know कि ये कहाँ से आया है. It was like a 10-minute work. He did that and then we got like 50 stickers printed for now. I could have easily skipped this step and sent the packages as it is, but I wanted this kind of personal touch to my packages, so you guys know where it is coming from. I have to give credit to that printing shop because the quality of the stickers was top notch. This was such a small scale printout, but it felt so good to see something of my own on paper. And then finally I decided to stick these on the parcels that were going. After packing everything, I asked my brother to get these parcels shipped. Post that, I got freshened up and I started filming content. This video was kind of my birthday shopping haul, and this is already up on my channel, so you can see that. Now, this was really unexpected, but my friend sent me a cake next day just because I'm traveling and I won't be here. And then I also received a gift from one of my friends. The smile on my face can already tell that it is one of my favorite things, which is jewelry. I don't know if it is clearly visible or not, but I am very happy, but I am very shy opening gifts. And the next day I got a cake from Bhabhi and family, and it was such a sweet gesture. Also 100 points for getting me my favorite cake. And yeah guys, that would be it for this vlog. Follow me on my Instagram, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you super soon in my next video.